Amen.
Your Excellency, you may take your position on the arena. You may get seated. Your Excellency, the President, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the leadership of Parliament, led by the majority leaders and other leaders in the Houses, Cabinet Secretaries designate and all other serving members of Cabinet, Principal Secretaries designate and all serving Principal Secretaries, the top command of our security organs present, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, this state ceremony convenes for the swearing in and administration of the solemn oath of office to the 2 newly appointed Cabinet Secretaries and 14 Principal Secretaries. The swearing in ceremony honors the constitutional imperative set forth under Article 152(4) of the Constitution, as read with Article 74, which stipulates, and I quote, "A Cabinet Secretary assumes office by swearing or affirming faithfulness to the people and the Republic of Kenya and obedience to this Constitution before the President and in accordance with the 3rd schedule." And further that, before assuming a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any function in a state office, a person shall take and subscribe to the oath or affirmation of office. Your Excellency, sir, following your presidential nomination of the 2 Cabinet Secretaries and 14 Principal Secretaries, the National Assembly conducted approval hearings on 4th, 7th, and 14th April 2025. Thereafter, the House considered and adopted the reports of the Committee on Appointments and the 10 departmental committees of the National Assembly, thereby approving all 16 nominees for appointment. In fulfillment of the requirements under the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approvals Act, and in accordance with the standing orders of the National Assembly, the House formally transmitted the certificate of approval to Your Excellency on 16th April 2025. Subsequently, and in exercise of the powers vested in the President under Articles 152(2) and Article 155(3) of the Constitution, Your Excellency appointed the nominees as Cabinet Secretaries and Principal Secretaries. These state appointments are notified through a special issue of the Kenya Gazette as notices number 4834 and 4835 of 2025. With all constitutional and legal requirements now fully discharged, this state ceremony is convened in law and in keeping with the established state traditions. Your Excellency, it is my distinct honor and high privilege to now present to you the newly appointed state officers. The appointees will individually take and subscribe to their solemn oath or affirmation of office, binding their service to the Constitution and to the people of Kenya. With Your Excellency's kind indulgence, I now call upon Ms. Hannah Wendot Cheptumo, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Gender, Culture, the Arts, and Heritage. Welcome.
Ms. Hannah Wendot is an experienced advocate of the High Court of Kenya and cooperative management professional. She has also served as a member of the Disciplinary Tribunal of the Institute of Certified Public Accountants, ISPAC. Hannah holds a diploma in cooperative management from the Cooperative College of Kenya, a Bachelor of Law LLB degree from the University of Nairobi, and a postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law. You may now proceed to the swearing-in arena.
I, Anna Wendot Cheptumo, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not diverge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and committed to my secrecy except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Your Excellency, sir, permit me now to invite Honorable Geoffrey K. Kiringa Ruku, Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Human Capital Development and Special Programs.
Honorable Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku is the immediate former Member of Parliament from Beren North constituency in the National Assembly of Kenya. He is an accomplished political leader and financial professional. Honorable Ruku holds a Bachelor of Commerce degree in Business Administration from the Catholic University of East Africa, a postgraduate diploma in Diplomacy and International Relations, and a Master of Business Administration. You may now proceed to the swearing-in arena.
I, Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all the laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not diverge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary. And I will perform my functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
With Your Excellency's gracious approval, I now present the 14 appointees designated to serve the Republic as Principal Secretaries. Sir, to commence the role of Principal Secretaries, I now call upon Dr. Jane Kere Imbunya, Principal Secretary, Designate State Department for Public Service and Human Capital Development.
Dr. Jane Kere Imbunya is the immediate former Dean of School of Education and Social Sciences in Kaimosi Friends University. She has excellent skills gained from leading teams across institutions to accomplish complex tasks. Dr. Imbunya holds a Bachelor of Education degree in Arts from the University of Nairobi, a Master's of Education degree, a Master of Philosophy degree, and a Doctor of Philosophy degree from the University of Botswana. You may now proceed to the swearing-in arena.
I, Jane Kere Imbunya, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do solemnly affirm that except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents or any business, proceedings, or documents